Welcome guys to the Crochet Bits channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to crochet these double cherry leaves. The one is just a simple leaf, the second one I've done with borders, so you decide which version you like the most. For this tutorial I'm going to use 3.5mm crochet hook and any medium worsted weight yarn. I am using Caron Simply Soft. So let's get started. Make a slip knot and chain 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Into the second chain from hook, make one single crochet. Now into the next chain, one half double crochet. Now make one double crochet in next 4 chains. Now into the next chain, one half double crochet. And into the next chain, one single crochet. Skip next chain and repeat everything from the beginning. One single crochet, then one half double crochet, then one double crochet in next 4 chains, now one half double crochet, and into the last chain one single crochet. The first side is ready. Chain 2 and one single crochet into the same stitch. On the other side, repeat everything. Where you see one half double crochet, make one half double crochet. After that, so please hold the tail along. We will weave it right away. Now make one double crochet in next 4 stitches. Now make one half double crochet and one single crochet in next stitch. Skip again the next chain, this one, and where you see one single crochet into the same stitch, make one single crochet. After that, one half double crochet, then one double crochet in next 4 stitches, then one half double crochet and one single crochet. Chain 2 as on the other side and join into the first single crochet. You can leave the leaf as it is now. Just cut the yarn and weave in ends, or add one more round for the border. Chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the same stitch as joining. After that, repeat everything again. Chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1, slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch till the end. Here is the leaf, and that's how it looks now. Cut the yarn and let's join first and the last stitch. Thread the tail, insert the needle underneath both loops of the first slip stitch, and now into the center of the last slip stitch. We can cut this tail already and weave in end. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to crochet bell flowers, please check my next video tutorial. The tutorial is really easy. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye for now.